We're heading to the Bloomfield off-road track, and it takes us through the Daintree rainforest and out to Cooktown. This is a huge incline. This is the biggest one we've done.
We've just gotten completely lost in a national park. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another vlog.
What's up?
Okay. We are in Atherton and we're starting this week's video at a bit of a less glamorous location.
Bloody dump point, mate.
So yeah, we're at the dump point. We're getting ourselves nice and prepared because we are about to head off-grid again.
Yep, we're heading
west. We think
west.
it's off-grid. We're not really sure what to expect, but yeah, we're heading west towards Northern Territory and we are taking the Savannah way there.
Yep, we've spent some time in Queensland, eh?
We've
been absolutely loved it.
The best.
But yes, we're heading west and we don't know what we're in for. But it's going to be good.
Yeah, we've got a couple of cool spots lined up. First one is not too far from here, so we'll see you then. Okay, so lovely rainy day here in the Atherton Tablelands. I think we are still technically
definitely
in the
we're still.
Tablelands. This wasn't where I had originally planned to stop off first, but I think our plan for this whole Savannah way is just going to be every time we see something cool sounding pop up, we're just going to veer up. So that's what we've done now. We've come to Mount Hypipamy.
God knows.
I'll write it there because I'm definitely saying it wrong. But yeah, apparently there's a big crater and a waterfall.
Whoa, there's a tree coming. Oh, we're going to just get a picture on that, eh? But yes.
What, like straddling it or something?
Classic. Yeah, no, what is it? A crater.
Yeah, and I can definitely hear a waterfall.
Yeah. Let's go check it out, eh? So we've just made it to the crater. Megan's looked at it, but I have not.
This is so
Whoa,
cool.
I just looked at it. Holy crap.
Oh my god, I nearly lost my thumb down there.
Holy crap.
That is
Wait till you see this.
awesome.
Look at that. That's intimidating, eh?
Yeah.
You can't tell on camera, actually.
Can't you?
Nah, but oh my god.
Oh, it's starting to pour with rain.
It's just the sheer drop and then there's all that algae over the top. I think that's what it's called. That is incredible. Hey.
Yeah.
It's starting to pour down, so we are going to head back.
Try and save the camera. That is all of the biggest single drop waterfalls done now, hey?
Yeah.
So we've done the tallest and that was the widest. That was Millstream Falls. So I think about an hour out of Atherton. I'm just glad that this hike up back to the car is not as bad as the tallest single drop because that one was a bit of a struggle.
Classic. We've done so many waterfalls, eh?
Yeah.
We are so thankful. We have seen so many now.
Crazy.
I don't think it's over either.
No, there's still heaps in Northern Territory.
Yeah.
So.
But we're just going to keep driving now west and just see which free campsite we like and how tired I get.
And if we see any more
cool things,
signs veering us off the road on the way,
we'll be going
there is actually not far from here is the lava tubes, which was on our bucket list. And then we sort of weighed up the pros and cons because the only way to visit them is through a tour, which would be $120 for us to visit. So
yeah, so notice how Megan said tour, I say tour. So who's right and who's wrong? Tour or tour? Leave it down in the comments. All right, let's get going. How cool is this? literally in the middle of nowhere, and there's a mango tree.
So random.
Hey?
Is there any mangoes on there?
Nah, there's no mangoes, but guys, look.
It's
nothing.
So completely out of place.
It is, and nothing. It's just this random, healthy looking mango tree in the middle of bloody nowhere. How cool is that, eh?
Yeah. How good's this drive though? We haven't done a drive like this in so long.
I know.
And you can feel the heat.
Yep, it's
already.
getting hot. Jumpers are going to come off soon.
Yeah.
Tans are coming. But yes, we just thought we had to stop and check out the mango tree. It's pretty random, eh? But we're piece of hair on the lens. But yes, we are.
I don't know, about an hour off camp maybe.
Yep, I think so.
Up to
I'm
you.
going to make the decision when we get to the free camp if we're going to continue on or not. I don't know.
There's quite a few along here, so we'll just see whatever feels safest or quietest, I guess.
Let's see what else is on the road. All right, let's get back to it. Made it. Our free camp spot.
Free camp. It's a nice one actually.
What's it called?
A bit busy, but found a nice little spot here. This is the Cumberland Chimney free camp.
It's
rest
not
stop.
busy, it's packed.
Oh, okay.
We got pretty lucky with this spot, I reckon. But yes, big chimney.
Yeah, big
Cannot miss
drive. Big drive today.
Massive drive today.
But
pretty tired, eh?
We definitely prepared pretty well for it, I think.
We went nuts on the food.
Yeah.
Spent a fortune on food.
I think we got about 2 weeks worth of food, but I don't know. We don't know what we're in for, like we said, so I think it's better to be safe than sorry.
I got the wheels rotated. Went around and checked every single nut and bolt because I'm pretty sure there's corrugations coming, so better safe than sorry.
We were sort of expecting them today, but they never came.
They never came today. Just single lane roads came. Mm-hmm. So I'm guessing the corrugations are coming soon.
Probably get some dinner on.
Yeah, we've got a huge selection.
We can pick from like
pork
10
chops.
meals.
We've got pork chops, sausages, or what else do we get?
Curry.
Or we've got the chicken lovely legs.
Yes.
That go in the curry. I'm rubbing my stomach. Anyway, we're going to set up camp and we're going to get dinner cooked, guys. Megan's just Cutting some fruit up for our pancakes this morning.
Finally got strawberries again. So excited.
Cheap strawberries. That's the only reason we got.
Well, they weren't that cheap, but they weren't $5 like we've been seeing them every other day. So I'm excited.
What were they? $4.
Yeah, I think so.
$4 for strawberries, not bad. So yeah, pancakes this morning. We had a beautiful walk down to the lake down there. So many birds. There's just so many different birds out there. It was wicked. Wicked sunrise. I've got these coffees. Got the Gums coffees, right? Seen someone put a double shot in their cup. Saw someone. My grammar is terrible, eh? So I saw someone put a double shot in their cup. So I'm definitely giving that a shot. Anyway, I'm burning the coconut oil, so we'll see you soon.
Good morning, we are fed and caffeinated and some of us more than others. Really cool free camp. Yeah. I'm stoked with that. There was such an amazing sunrise, and if you are a bird watcher or bird photographer, you have to go there because I've never seen so many birds in one place in my entire life. It was crazy.
And they wake you up for 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, so you don't miss the amazing sunrise. It's just a win-win.
It's good to feel safe at a campsite. We've said that a few times, but that one was really nice. Had a good sleep and it felt safe, eh?
Yeah.
There's lots of people there.
So it had a really cool history as well. That whole camping area was once a full gold mining township.
In the middle of nowhere.
About almost 400 miners and...
Bank, pub,
4
hotel.
pubs. Because you need 4 pubs in a town of 400 people apparently, so...
Classic. So that's pretty crazy, that's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
And there was a gold rush there and they did all that, that's cool. And yeah, all that's left is the chimney.
Yeah.
And the dam.
And the dam.
But what's the plan today? Eh?
Today's plan is similar to yesterday, so we're just going to keep driving. We're making our way towards Normanton, so pretty much same plan as yesterday, just going to stop in anytime we see something pretty cool.
We've got a 3-hour drive.
Yeah, I think so. We don't have service, so it's even more of a guessing game than yesterday, but Jack's on charge of spotting cool stuff off the side of the road today because I'm just going to maybe chuck my headphones in and get some editing done while we have this long drive, so
let's
should be a good
to
one.
It, mate. Well guys, we've got a little bit of a problem here. Show them, Megan.
Real roadblock.
We got cowboys and cows. How funny is that? Welcome to the outback, mate.
Oh my god.
How cool's that?
So
bit of a what do we even do right now?
I don't know.
How funny is that?
Try and come up with some cow puns while we wait. All I could think of is
I actually don't even know what to do. They're making us go backwards. How funny is that?
There's no one behind us, is there?
So how funny is that? That is gold. Oh, there's one big one in the middle. It looks like the boss cow. I don't even know what's going on. Classic. We'll give you an update once the cows have moved. They've told us to go through nice and steady and they'll just move out of the way.
Oh god, I hope so.
And they told me to tell this bloke to go. We are in the outback, mate. How big is it, eh?
Massive.
Holy crap. We made it, guys. Look at the size of it. This one's been a huge bucket list for me. Just coming here and seeing this. 28 feet long, 8.63 meters. Largest crocodile ever caught in the wild. Holy shit. Mind my language. That's insane. But what are we doing?
Well, we're just going to head to the caravan park now, I think, in town, because the next campsite I wanted to go to is still about an hour and a half away, and it feels like we've been driving for ages today. So
we've been driving for hours, so we'll see you in the morning. We're going to clock off at a caravan park. See you later. We might even blow the budget on a bloody motel room.
I don't think we're going to blow the budget on a motel room.
But yes, we're going croc hunting today.